Hey folks, how you doing today? We're fixing this plumbing disaster here. Payans remodel. As you can see, it's all screwed up. So we gotta take all this stuff out. Take these out here. Disconnect this. Get rid of this. Okay, get rid of these pipes, which I've already disconnected, as you can see. But this pipe here just broke, and this pipe going into the house broke as well. And as you can see, I can turn it freely, so it means I got to crawl in the house, underneath the house, and fix that. But we're going to get rid of this as well. All this will be gone, and we'll have a new spigot coming here, capping it off over here. And we're going to get rid of this damn thing here. So this is a day of a plumbing disaster, but it's on a day's work. Payans remodel. This is how we do it. Okay, and the reason we're doing this is because this piece here has a hairline crack right about there. There's a hairline crack right here, and this is a shut off that somebody put, and apparently this is a hooked up job they did. But there's a hairline crack here. You can't see it, but it's there. Now we're going to change this out. In order to get to this, we need to take this apart. Take this apart, undo all this, to get this out, to get this out. Okay, so we'll see you when we're done here. See you the finished work once we're done.